Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Today, we're firing things up with a review of the OGERY 2-burner foldable camping stove with Griddle. If you're looking for the best foldable camping stove that's both portable and super versatile for your outdoor adventures, you've come to the right place. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and purchase link in the description below. Right out of the box, this OGERY portable burner feels sturdy and well-made with its stainless steel design. The highlight is definitely the unique dual-function griddle. One side is textured for grilling, the other smooth for things like eggs. This stove with Griddle is all about giving you options in one compact package. Portability is key here. It folds down neatly to just 10.2 inches by 9 inches by 3.5 inches and comes with a convenient carrying bag. Weighing only 5.7 pounds, it won't break your back on camping or backpacking trips. Definitely a top contender for the best portable burner for easy transport. Setting up is quick and easy. The push-button piezo ignition lights up the two 10,000 BTU burners instantly. No more searching for matches. The adjustable heat controls let you fine-tune the flame for perfect cooking, whether you're simmering or searing. This propane camp stove with 2 adjustable burners makes outdoor cooking efficient and hassle-free. The cooking surface easily fits 2 10-inch pans, which is fantastic for cooking for families or groups while camping. You can have multiple dishes going at once. Now, let's get real about the pros and cons. On the plus side, users love the compact and lightweight design, the included carrying case, and the quality feel. It heats up fast and cooks evenly. The dual griddle is a major selling point, and it's praised for being easy to use and portable, even noting good fuel efficiency. On the other hand, some customers reported concerns about the griddle's durability, with some experiencing warping or blistering. A gas connection issue was also mentioned, which is a serious point to consider. One user found the grill flimsy and had trouble fitting parts back into the case. So, the OGERY 2-burner foldable camping stove with Griddle offers great portability and versatility with its dual griddle and easy setup, making it a strong contender for the best foldable camping stove. However, potential durability and safety concerns regarding the griddle and gas connection should be kept in mind. If portability and a dual griddle are your top priorities for your outdoor cooking needs, the OGERY portable burner is a solid option. Just be sure to inspect it carefully. What are your thoughts? Have you used this stove? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this quick review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gear reviews. Happy cooking!